Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the who command and the details that it can show you regarding who is logged in and about the system itself. The most obvious use of the who command is to ask who is logged in. For that, you just type who, and you can see we get a list of the logged in users. There's 2 of them. This particular user is logged in on the console. That's what :0 means. And this particular user up here is logged in on one of the pseudo terminals, and this means that they're logged in from another system on the network, and we can see the IP address there. We can also see the date and time that each of these users logged into the system. Of course, listing users is not the only thing that who can do. If you want to see when the system was last booted, you can go who-b. And here we see that the system was booted on October 10th at 6:40 in the evening. If you want to see what run state the system is in, you can go who-r. And we're in run level 5, which is pretty much the standard. That means multi-user. And we can also see that the date and time is the same as the date and time that the system was booted, because we're not changing run states. If you want a simple count of logged in users along with a one-line list of the usernames, you can go who-q. There we see that there are 2 users logged in, like the same 2 up there, and we get this little users equal to showing how many people are logged in. Now don't forget you can create aliases for these commands if who-b and who-r and who-q don't fall from your lips. And just here's an example of aliases that you could create. The issue is whether the more understandable command is better or the one with the fewest letters. That's up to you. Well, that's your Linux tip for the who command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.